Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Moringa Roti. Mix 1 cup whole wheat flour and 1 tablespoon moringa powder in a bowl, then add a pinch of salt. Stir while pouring warm water slowly until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough for 5 minutes until smooth, then rest it covered for 20 minutes. This creates pliable, flavorful rotis that cook evenly and taste great with any curry or chutney. Warm and steady hands help make perfect Moringa rotis every time. Take a dough ball and flatten it slightly, then dust with a little flour. Use a rolling pin to roll into a thin circle about 6 to 7 inches across, turning the roti frequently to keep the shape even. Aim for uniform thickness so it puffs gently on the pan. Keep covered while you roll the remaining dough to retain moisture and softness. A hot skillet is the secret to quick, soft Moringa rotis that puff nicely. Place the rolled roti on the hot pan and cook for 30 to 45 seconds until light brown spots form, then flip and cook the other side. Press lightly with a cloth or spatula to help it puff, if you like. Finish directly on the flame briefly for extra char and flavor, then keep rotis wrapped to stay warm and soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.